Good morning, everyone. I've got this topper that a friend gave me. It's for a Ford Ranger, and my truck is a 2007 Nissan Frontier. And as you can see, it doesn't fit properly, and it's got some problems. And I want to build a rack to get this thing off my truck so that I could fix it and do things with it, and also that I can modify my bed rails to make this thing fit. See how the way it's sitting, so you know, it doesn't fit quite perfectly. And then this thing broke, and so I'm gonna try and punch out those rivets and get it to where it could stay up, or maybe that'll be fine. If I want to put some wood in or whatever. Okay. So you see, it's got its own brackets, and then we use C-clamps to try to clamp it, to hold it on. This is just a temporary hold. And I'm going to take this windows out and repaint it and fix it in places because it's rotten. It's fiberglass. And so I mean, it's a free topper, and sometimes these things can go for a couple $100, maybe $500. You know, $500 if they're in good shape. $200 maybe if it's in this shape. But anyhow, so this is what I got, and I'm going to build a stand. I'm going to put the stand over here. I've been watching this guy on YouTube. His name is Jeff, and his YouTube channel is Covet the Camper. And he built these two sawhorses that are like 8 foot long and really higher than the rail. And he backs his truck up between the sawhorses, and then he lines them up, and then he goes inside. He unbolts everything. Then with his back, he'll lift up the front part and put a brace so that the topper is sitting like at an angle, you know, sitting at a little bit of an angle. And then he gets out, and then he runs and he puts a piece of wood all the way across on the inside, underneath the topper, and resting on both sides of the sawhorses. Then he repeats the process. He lets that support beam down, lets the thing rest on the pieces of wood, and he does the same thing with this side. He'll lift it up, prop it open, stick the wood, release the prop, and then by this point, the topper is now resting on the stand that he's made, on the rack that he's made. And then he can just pull forward, and the thing's sitting, but it's sitting, you know, this high off the ground. Like, it's sitting way up here. Almost like the height we have here, but just a little bit higher. And the thing is then he bolts everything down. He secures it to the ground. I'm going to use trucker straps to go 2 over the top on the outside, ratchet it down to concrete in the ground with the anchors, and then 1 trucker cargo strap from front to back, you know, and across the top, and anchor it down, you know, to the ground. So anyhow, that's what my plan is. He even bolts the inside to the rack because he gets strong winds and stuff. And this thing, we get strong winds. This is Florida, man. This thing will just take off like a sail. It'll just go. So this is my plan today, to try and get this thing off my pickup truck so that I can do some work to it. And this thing is so heavy, it could take 2 or 3 people to help you get this thing off. The guy that put it on, he was straining, and he leaned it and then pushed in the back, and I tried to help as much as I could. And you know, he did the bulk of the work, but we both got it on. But you have to line it up to where it has something to rest on. And it hasn't got a whole lot. What I'm going to do too is I'm going to reinforce. I'm going to build like an extra lip that's going to come out and run the length here. And the bulk of the weight will be sitting on that lip. But I got to reinforce the lip. So I'm going to have 2x4s, like a framing system to shore it up, to strengthen it. So it's almost like building just a frame for this thing to sit on the inside of my truck, because the truck is not, truck is too wide. And so I'll be able to bolt the pieces of wood too. So this thing is going to sit even like about an inch or so higher than it is now because of that extra wood. So it's going to sit higher. It's not going to sit on where it is now. So talk about, project. Yeah, I got stuff to do. I put trash from work in here instead of throw it on the ground. I'll get rid of it later. So anyhow, this is pretty much it. And this is a Saturday. This is Halloween. I've got 4 cats, and one of them's a little black one. So I gotta finish up this video and talk to you later. Bye.